Saner.ai. Do you waste hours searching for lost notes, buried emails, or half-written to-do lists? Be honest, how many times have you started working, only to get distracted and lose track of what mattered most? This constant chaos is draining your focus and stealing your time. That is exactly the problem Saner.ai set out to fix. Imagine having an assistant that never forgets, never misplaces a note, and instantly connects the dots across your scattered information. That is what Saner.ai delivers, an AI-powered productivity partner built for people who are overloaded with tasks, ideas, and constant distractions. Saner.ai takes your messy notes, meeting transcripts, emails, and even random reminders, and automatically organizes them into a structure that makes sense. It uses real-time tagging, smart search, and AI suggestions to highlight connections you would otherwise miss. For someone with ADHD or anyone juggling multiple projects, this means less time jumping between apps and more time actually getting work done. You can jot down a quick thought, speak into voice to text, or let it summarize an entire meeting. The AI doesn't just store your content, it actively surfaces related notes, sparks new insights, and keeps your priorities front and center. Instead of drowning in data, you finally see a clear map of what matters most. And while collaboration features are still rolling out, the current suite is powerful enough to transform daily productivity. Think of it as a life manager, keeping you focused, efficient, and free from the constant stress of losing track. So the question is simple: do you want to keep fighting chaos every day, or let Saner.ai organize your world?